Good morning students, welcome back. Today is Monday, that is 29th June, okay? And only one day is left to complete our 1 month. We have started our teaching from 4th June and we are going to, or we are almost going to complete 1 month of our online studies or online videos, online teaching and online learning. We were talking about yesterday, we were talking about 6 honest serving men, and what we did, we have done some questions. We did questions, correct or not? Mr. Patel teach us English, then what does, or who, what does Mr. Patel, Patel, or you can say Patel, what does Mr. Patel teach us? We made questions from 6 honest serving men. Which are 6 honest serving men? What, why, when, how, who and where. 6 honest serving means we studied in the poem, and it is told that we have to make questions. Now third question, which is of group discussion is there. That group discussion I will just tell you orally, okay? I will tell you, we will do it orally after completing question number 4. Question number 3 we will complete afterwards, that is orally. We have to do it orally, we don't have to write anything in notebook of question number 3. But question number 4 is a such question that which you have to write down in your notebook. Now what is that question number 4? Lesson number, poem number 5, 6 honest serving men. 6 honest serving men. Now in this poem what we studied, there are 6 honest serving men, those who help whom? Those who help poet, correct? And with the help of these 6 honest men, he had learned, or he has got lot of information. He has got what? He has got lot of information from his childhood till he become adult. Now your question is asked, which of the 6 honest I will say, okay? Which of the 6 serving men do you like the most? Now from the poem, or naturally you can tell this answer, which of the 6 honest serving men do you like the most? Do you like what? Do you like why? Do you like how? Do you like where? Do you like why? Which is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When is left? I think when. Yes. Do you like when? Which of the 6 honest men do you like the most? Which you like the most? If I will say, I will tell that I like what the most. Because every time we ask what are you doing? Why? What is the reason you are coming in the school? Correct? Why? What is your problem? We use this what many times, and I like what, or then why. It is your choice, okay? Don't take my choice. It is your choice. What you have to do? You have to write down answer of the question. Which of the 6 serving men do you like the most? I like what? So I am going to write down I like. I am writing answer. I like what? I like what the most. Which I like what? I am going to underline it, okay? I like what the most. Second question which is asked here is, which of the 6 serving men do you use the most? Which of the 6, out of these 6 serving men, what, why, how, where, why and when? In this 6 honest serving men, which serving men do you use more? I think so we use why more. Correct or not? Every time question mark is there in your brain. There is big question mark. Why to study? Why to go to school? Why to eat food? Why to drink milk? Why? You are using or not why? More why to see videos? Why to complete our homework? Right? More some questions are there. If your mother will tell you work, then you will say why to do work? Why to take bath in morning? Correct or not? Like this, many questions are there which you use daily. And which is that question? Which is that serving men? Why you are using more? Even I am using why more. Correct? Why we go to school? Why we get up? That is the big question. Why do we get up early in the morning? Why we cannot sleep for a long time? Correct? Why do we sleep early in the evening? Why do we sleep early? Why do we sleep early in evening? Why we sleep first 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock? Not 6 o'clock, but why do we sleep early in the evening? Early म्हणजे अगोदर. Why we sleep till 9 o'clock? Because early morning we have to get up. Next day morning we have to get up, so we sleep in the evening early. Eating food 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock sleep. Why question is asked many times? So what is my answer? Or your also answer will be why only. I use why why the most. I use why the most. Understood? Your also answer will be why only, because many times why questions are there in your mind. Now next question which is given here, I told you here it is told that form pairs or groups. What you have to do? You have to make groups or you have to stand in pairs. Select any one topic from your environmental studies book, EVS book. Okay. Now I am having only one EVS book with me. I have bought one book of 3rd standard, which you have studied last year. I will show you that book. Okay. Use the following to frame set of questions about that topic. Do this orally with the number of topics. Now what we are going to do? I will give you one topic now, and that topic will be, what is that topic? For example, I will give you one paragraph. East, west, north and south. East, west, north and south are the, just a minute, I'll erase this. Are the four directions, the direction in which the sun rises, is the east, the direction in which the sun sets, is the west, If we stand facing the east, the west is behind us. Okay, now this is these are 2-3 sentences. What is that? These are some 2-3 sentences which I have written. Just a minute, I will add this mobile. Okay, east, west, north and south are the four directions. The direction in which the sun rises is the east. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. If we stand facing the east, the west is behind us. Now what we have to do? We have to use what? We have to make questions. Okay. Now if I want to make questions, what questions we will able to make now? Come on, make. What are four directions? What are the four directions? What? I'm writing question number 1. Huh? I'm writing first question. Question first. Are what are the four directions? What are the four directions? Then answer will be the four directions are east, west, north and south. We have used what? W-H-A-T. What? Now we will use why. Why question we can make a what? Why question from why? No, wait. From why it is not possible actually. How? How question we can make our what? From where? From where we will do? Come on. Where does the sun rise? Where does the sun rise? The answer will be what? The answer will be the sun rises in the direction in which the sun rises is the east. Or you can write down straight away answer. The sun rises in the east direction. Where does the sun rise? Now which WH question we can make use of? 6 are there total which we can make use of. For some questions I will take some another paragraph of EDS, okay? If we stand facing the east, the west is behind. Why? Where? From who you can make a what sentence? A question. When does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. But the morning is not there. That sentence is only not there in the paragraph. Okay, we have tried. I will take one paragraph in which we will able to make all types of questions. Okay, that questions we will do in next period. At present, at least you have understood. Now in this paragraph, we cannot make all 6 questions. We can make only 2 questions. What are the 4 directions? What are the 4 directions and where does the sun rise? Then you can write down sun rises in the east. And what are the 4 directions? East, west, north and south are the 4 directions. I will take one another paragraph and with the help of that paragraph we will make all 6 questions. I will find out one beautiful or I will say something interesting paragraph I will write down in next period and that paragraph we will use to make questions or to frame questions. Okay, thank you for today and please complete this question. Complete these questions in your notebook. Write down these 2 questions in your English Balbarki notebook. Okay, thank you.